third installment of my Crochet for Beginners program, steps, lessons. Here, we've already gone over single crochet, so go back and watch that video if you haven't seen it, and double crochet. We are going to be learning how to do a half double crochet. A half double crochet. You will need, one of these days I'll learn where the camera is. Where is my hook? Here we go. Ooh. Hook and yarn. And we're gonna get started. So let's go. This is half double crochet. So we're gonna take our hook. Again, I have my 6mm Boye. And this is what we're going for today. So this is the half double crochet. These, if you haven't seen the last two videos, go watch the single crochet and the double crochet. I recommend watching the double crochet video first so you kind of understand what a half double crochet is a little better. But let's get started. You're going to chain 17 from the first video. I go over it in the single crochet video if you want to go back and watch that. We're gonna chain 17. And once you have your 17 chains, we are going to do the second chain from hook today. So you have your first chain, and then you have your second chain here. To get started, we're gonna yarn over, insert your hook into that second chain from hook, pull that yarn through, and then just like in double crochet, you're gonna yarn over and you'll have 3 loops here. But instead of going through the first 2 and then yarning over again, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pull it through all 3 loops that we have on the hook. So let me show you that again. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull that yarn through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 of those loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through all 3 of those loops. So for half double crochet, I don't use my chain as my stitch replacement. So go in and chain 1 and then turn your work over. And for half double crochet, I recommend using that ghost stitch. So go ahead and yarn over, insert your hook into that first stitch where you've already chained from, pull your yarn through, yarn over, and then pull through all 3. And then keep going. Let's see here, yarn over, insert your hook, pull that yarn through, and then pull through all 3. Also, after you do your chain stitch, again, you're going to be stitching through the 2 loops here instead of just the 1 chain stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into both of those loops, pull your yarn through, yarn over, and then pull through all 3 loops. So let's get back down to this corner, and I'm going to show you how to turn your work again for the next row. All right. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work over, and we're going to insert our hook into that first stitch where your chain is coming from. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull that yarn through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. All right, so yarn over, insert your hook, pull that yarn through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. All right, let's see how slow I can do this. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull that yarn over top of it, pull that yarn through, and you're gonna yarn over again, pull through all 3 loops. But yeah, Looks pretty good. And that is how you do a half double crochet. What was I doing? Oh, right. I hope this was helpful for you. Like or subscribe in the bottom down here. Do one of those things. Apparently there's a bell that you can ring to get notified of when I post a new video, which will probably be quite a few, seeing as how we're trapped inside for hopefully in this time I can help you to learn a new skill and keep yourself occupied. Stay inside, stay safe. I will see you guys later.